Hello everyone, welcome to KhanPedia. Today video I will try to explain how we can book cheapest flight ticket online. So let's start. Simply open your Google Chrome. And now as you can see, this is my Google Chrome, and I will simply click on three dotted button and I will open new incognito windows. Now here I will, for example, first of all I will open a website, for example Kiwi.com is a website to book flight, right? This is also a good website. Simply, for example, I want to book flight from Bologna to, I want to go, for example, Berlin. And on 20 September, I want to travel, right? Simply 20 September. One-way ticket. For example, I want to take one-way ticket and from Bologna to Berlin, and 20 September I want to travel. Click on search. After click on search, I have several options. The best and cheapest flight is, as you can see, is 83 euro. And it will take 1 hour 45 minute flight. And you have to take flight 5:30 p.m. And if I go to other website, for example, SkyScanner, simply I will open a SkyScanner website. And here I will search now. Simply I will, for example, I want to travel from Bologna to Berlin. I want to travel on 20 September and I'm one person and economy class, right? Click on search. As you can see, I can get the same flight. For example, I will convert in euro first. Okay, save. As you can see, I can get the same price, same flight on less price. As you can see, I can get the same price on 73 euro, but on Kiwi.com it's 83 euro. So you can save 10 euro on this flight. So when you are booking a flight, you should try to search on different applications like Kiwi.com, SkyScanner, and so on. So it will help you to find the cheapest flight. As I show you on Kiwi, as you can see, it's 83 euro. On the same flight on SkyScanner is 73 euro. So this is a smart way to book your cheapest flight online. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.